Hey guys, it's Vickie Kinner, independent Scentsy consultant, Scentsy director with Team Scented Style. And yesterday, I filmed the unboxing of the October Whiff box, and I forgot to film this part. So I'm gonna be wearing a different outfit, but whatever. So let's go ahead and get into opening the Whiff box for October. And if you like this video, please give it a like. And if you enjoy my content, please consider subscribing. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you know when I have posted something new. And comment below. Let me know what you think. All right, you guys, let's get into it. So today we're going to open up the Whiff box for October, the Scentsy Whiff box. And if you've never purchased one, they are so cool. If you love anything that's like subscription boxes, these are fun because you never know what's going to be in it. I don't even know what's in it. I try not to look at the spoilers, but they are $35. You can get it once. You can put it in a Scentsy club, get it every month, every other month, or every 3 months, and they make wonderful gifts. So let's go ahead and open it up. So let's see. Ooh, Scent with Love. So let's see what's inside. Okay, so the first thing we got here, we got Arctic Kiss washer whiffs. This stuff makes your laundry smell amazing. You use it on top of your laundry detergent. And I am so excited. Let's take a whiff. Oh, that smells so good. One scoop of these will have you enjoying doing laundry. Well, maybe not enjoying, but it won't be as horrible, right? The next thing is something I'm super obsessed with. It's our hand soap. And you get a bottle of the eucalyptus wreath, which I love. It's very Christmassy. Okay, what is this? Okay, it looks like a buddy clip. Oh, it's the Holly the Hippopotamus buddy clip in Perfect Peppermint. Now, buddy clips are cool because you can put them on your purse, your diaper bag, your rear view mirror. Perfect Peppermint smells so good. It smells like those little candies. Okay, so let's go ahead and pull her out. And what was her name? Holly. She's so cute. Now, you might be thinking, why a hippopotamus? Because we have the full size available right now as well. But you remember the song that you want a hippopotamus for Christmas? Well, you can have one. She smells amazing. You want to smell, Dakota? He loves to smell Scentsy. All right, so let's put that to the side. Okay, we must have got some bars because I see it wrapped. They do this so that they can put in an ice pack so you don't get melted bars in the summer and the warmer months. Okay, so the ice pack's in there. You get 3 bars. Let's check it out. All right. So the first one that you get is Cherry's Jubilee. I love Cherry's Jubilee. Smells phenomenal. Oh my gosh, so good. I love cherry scents. The next one is Rum Pum Plum. Rum Pum Plum. And I've done reviews of these scents before. They're so good. Now this one, I got to smell this when I went to Scentsy Home Office for Director Boot Camp in the very beginning of October. This is the scent of the month for next month, for November. Let me tell you how good this one is. It's a mint scent. It says mint to be merry. And normally I don't like to smell the scent of the month until I do the unboxings. But I was there and I had to. It was right in my face. How do you not peek? It is so good. It's like a vanilla mint. Oh my gosh. I'm going to be going through so much of this. This is going right into my Scentsy Club. Then you get the holiday brochure with all of our holiday products in there that are currently available. And you get the little Whiff box, let's get ready to jingle thing on there that tells you all the information. So that's everything. So let's review. You get Arctic Kiss washer whiffs. I love this box. This is a great box. You get eucalyptus wreath hand soap. Love the hand soap. That's all I use. You get the Holly the Hippopotamus buddy clip. How perfect is that for a stocking stuffer? So cute. Or to send your kid to school in the winter with this. Adorable on their backpack. And she smells phenomenal. Okay. And then the 3 Scentsy bars. The Mint to be Merry, which I'm obsessed with. Rum Pum Plum, which I love. This is a great box. And the Cherries Jubilee, which I have to re-smell because it's just that good. So that is the, that's the Whiff box. You can go to my link and it'll even have a spot to purchase a Whiff box. So you need this. You need it. So that's everything. I hope you enjoyed my video. Have a great day. Talk to you later.